Hello beautiful people all over the world, welcome again to our new episode for today. Please stay with me until the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. So these are my ingredients for the jute leaf. This is locust beans. You see the locust beans. Here we have crayfish, potash, salt, seasoning cubes. So now I'm removing the stick from the jute leaf, so it's not too thick like that, so we want to show you how to use it. I've already washed it. Potash, crayfish, I just add small salt on it because of the locust beans. We mix it with salt. Watch how we process it is on my YouTube channel. So beautiful people, thank you very much for watching this video. Please, if you are just seeing us for the first time, help us to subscribe, share our video with your friend and family. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Our jute leaf is ready. This is nice and delicious. Wow, this is delicious. So it's ready now. I'm going to off the fire. Thank you very much for watching this video. This is our jute leaf. You can see the jute leaf is still boiling inside the pot. This is nice and yummy. Don't forget to share and like, comment. Bye bye. Mwah.